You can always choose to do better. Here are mistakes every woman shouldn't do as they grow older. While I show you how to make more money on a budget. Number one is highly important, not developing a thick skin. Let me tell you, if you want to succeed as a woman, this is the first thing you need to develop because one thing people are going to do about a woman that chase her goal is talk. You are not cold or too calculated for going after what you want. You're just determined and focused. Okay? So prepare yourself to be judged. Okay, and learn to feel nothing about it. The second one should be ignoring red flags, whether in personal or professional relationships. Don't ignore the warning signs. Trust your instincts and address the issues ahead, oh, rather than hoping they will disappear on their own. That's one. You know what? The third one is refusing to network. A woman who has the right connection is the woman who gets into important rooms without having to struggle. Hmm. You are smart, skilled woman, right? Showcase your expertise by connecting with people in your field. Attending events, don't hesitate to reach out to potential mentors. I mean, go out there, girl. Fourth should be not investing in yourself, whether it's education or hobbies or skills or self-care. Investing in yourself is very crucial. Also, don't pigeonhole yourself into one niche. I beg, build a broad skill set that makes you more versatile and resilient in the face of career. The fifth one is neglecting your friends when you get into a relationship. Haba. If your female friends haven't wronged you in any way, you honestly have no business neglecting them away once you get with a man. Genuine female friends are more like your soulmates on another level. Don't take that for granted by treating your girls like placeholder for when you find romantic love. I don't know what number it is, but settling because you're bored or under pressure. One thing about deciding to be with someone because you feel lonely, pressured, or tired of waiting is that it even gets worse. Be a woman who would rather be by herself and in control of her loneliness than have it prepared by someone else and handed over to her. I mean, that's not nice. The next one is making career limiting moves. Avoid doing things that could negatively impact your career in the long run. It could be unprofessional conduct, poor work ethics, or unreasonable burning bridges with colleagues and employers. My dear, be a smart woman. And the next one is keeping health checkups. I mean, in this time and era, how can you even be doing that? Regular checkups are important for you as a woman, even if you feel fine. It's to save you from future complications. Make it a habit to take care of your physical and mental health. In a world where PCOS and every other thing is flying up and down, I better go for regular checkups. So the next one, being too hard on yourself. Yes, you are too hard on yourself. Women are often expected to do twice as much as to prove themselves. And while that works out well in many instances, don't be overly critical of yourself so you don't end up stressed and burned out. Be kind to yourself, oh, and keep clapping for yourself when everyone else is done cheering. I mean, you deserve it. Next one is being the babe who's cool with everyone, with everything. Is that even possible? Because I feel like people that do that, they displease themselves just to be cool with everybody. Don't make the mistake of being so understanding or forgiving that you overlook the fact that you're being disrespected. I mean, come on, girl. So no, you're not cool. Fine, okay? You're good or calm about what you're. See, if you're not treated right, state it that you're not treated right and you deserve better. So back to what we're doing. I hope you're learning. So far, we're done with adding all our ingredients and we washed the beans and everything. So if you don't have buchi blender, buchi mixer, buchi blah blah blah, you can always get your moi washed and peeled easily right in the comfort of your home. So I hope you learned how to make this moi moi and you'll be trying yours. Tag me if possible. See you in my next one. And do not forget to subscribe and like. Bye. Thank you for watching.